Hi everyone. Want to unfriend someone on Snapchat but not sure how to do it? Don't worry, I'll walk you through the steps quickly and easily. First, unlock your phone and open the Snapchat app. Once the app opens, you'll see the camera screen by default. Now, look at the top left corner and tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon. This will take you to your profile page. From here, scroll down a little and tap on My Friends. This will show you the full list of people you're connected with on Snapchat. Find the friend you want to remove. Press and hold on their name until a menu pops up. Next, tap on Manage Friendship. From the options, select Remove Friend. Snapchat will ask you to confirm your choice. Tap Remove once again, and the person will be removed from your friends list. And that's all it takes. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick Snapchat tips.